Howdy. Welcome to the semifinals of the Name Redacted Draft League. I'm going up against Ben, and I'm gonna be real, I don't expect to win this, but I'm not gonna make it easy for him to win either. No Halucha is really good for me. We were really hoping he wouldn't bring Halucha. I know my items might seem a bit weird this week, but I planned real hard. These are almost all new sets that I've run. So hopefully this goes well. I don't know though. Screamtail is gonna be a problem. Means I can't just sit here and spam outrage. Didn't bring Flygon. Maybe he expected me to bring Glaceon again and just didn't want to deal with that. Alright. Ugh, that's a bad lead for me. Sir, why? Let's just get out of here. We don't want to fight that. Get some chip damage down. Evangela has not a lot of special attack investment, but this should still hurt. Hopefully. Decent amount. Let's bring out Renala here. I'm gonna guess Stealth Rocks is coming out. Flamethrower, he just went for it. Well, that's gonna show my hand a little bit. Isn't great. Maybe switch in here. Muck could be annoying. Let's just go for a body press here. So he's a flamethrower. He is special, which is good to know. Yeah, Muck. Good damage. Not bad at all. Really don't want to lose any of my items here. I think the choice band's the least helpful of this group. Let's just get some more damage down. We're fine with knockoff. Ugh, not fine with knockoff. Thought we would be a lot better off. Giving up Bronzong here sucks, but alright, we're going into an immediate down, but let's bring out a Still here. guess he switches here. Let's try to make a call. Try to get ahead. Let's see what he goes for. Just more knockoffs. There's no way he's banded, right? Could be Shuka. Losing this guy here would be a problem. So I won't have any hazard removal. But we just kind of gotta risk it. Oh, jeez, that dude's thick. Okay. Guess I could have switched here, since I didn't do very much. Yeah, I kind of expected that. Hello, problem child. I don't like this guy very much. He's stinky. And that's why. Let's go Horaloo here. Oh, that sucks. That's not good for me. I'm just gonna rip a crunch here, because or scarf, and if he switches into fairy type, I'll kind of be screwed. I guess I could have went for it and then switched if shit hit the fan, but I need to start getting some pressure down. I always hated how fat his team is. That's why I knew I was gonna struggle in this fight. Alright. That's good. We needed that. Little surprised by that. Problem is, I don't know how fast he is. But we do know he's a special attacker. Probably go back into a still. Maybe take a hit. You know what? Let's risk it for the biscuit. Let's see what we got. Let's call him on his bluff here. Ooh, he ripping that Terra. Terra water. Okay. Rep spin. Let's go. Okay, now that's a little bit of a problem. Him being speedy now. But probably just rip Power Gem. Probably outspeeds me. No, he doesn't. Yeah. Alright. We lose our hazard removal here, but it used a lot of resources to pull that. We're just gonna take this down. I think we throw Elden Beast here. Because we know he's slower. Even after all that. Go for T-Volt Volt Switch here. I just don't have a lot of special attack investment. Honestly, Bug Buzz might actually do more with my Silver Powder. I don't know if I want to reveal that. So it's just Volt Switch here. Okay. Okay, we're keeping up momentum here. Keeping the cards close to the chest too. I think here we can just start popping Earthquakes. Because he doesn't have any immunities to this. To my knowledge. Oh, he forgot his own Psychic Terrain. That's rough. Okay. Teeth. Yeah, this is a problem child. This guy almost certainly outspeeds me. Sacrifice might be worth it though. Your sacrifice will not be in vain. We have Scarf. He doesn't outspeed. He doesn't outspeed. I believe. This is gonna reveal that I have Scarf on this guy, but yo, what? He does outspeed. You fucking psycho. Break through. Come on. Let's go. Oh, he's leftovers. He's thick. Dude, thing's so fucking fast, too. What the hell? Alright, we take a fairy move here. And my two main fairy resists are gone. I think We just need to test the waters here. Oh my god. You annoying fucker. Ugh, that's awful. We're in a bad spot. He's gonna swap here. Okay. I think we make a call here. Nope, he didn't switch. Ugh, that sucks. We're taking a hit here. We know he's not AV, so I I spammed. That's not what I wanted to do. Uh-oh. That's not good. I don't really want either of my guys taking this hit. I'm trying to preserve Azu. That's not good. Maybe he switches here. Maybe he's like, oh wait, maybe I don't want to fight this. Go to call. Just switch. Shit. God, that thing's so fast. Honestly, I don't think I would outspeed with -1 anyway. So let's just go for it. The fact that he outspeeds them is crazy to me. Okay, what here? So I could go for knockoff. See what kind of damage we can get down. Get rid of these leftovers so he doesn't have ongoing heals. Get rid of that shit. Alright, buddy, can you take... Ooh, he's bringing out somebody. Baron, yeah. How much health does he have? I mean, resisted, but there's a chance. There wasn't a chance. That's a crit, too. Ooh. Oh my god. Alright, I think that's GG's. That's the worst case scenario. Man. Oh, that's so bad. Oh, that's so bad. We gotta clutch out with... I don't know with what now. What's my out here? Heavy duty booties. Yeah, I'm in such a bad spot now. Damn. Dude, I'm just getting outlucked right now. Yeah, especially because I was kind of hoping Azumarill could be my end game. I just need to try to chip him down as much as I can. Waiting for him to switch. I'm gonna say he goes for one more and then he swaps here. Dude, 2 misses? Not 100%, it's 50%. I just realized I probably could have Terra'd my Bronzong. And I was to read that hit earlier. Oh well. Can't take back the past. Ah shit, I forgot I was gonna do one more hit and then would have been the perfect play too. Let's go! Oh my god, the Rocky Helmet. We live! Goated. Go down swinging, my friends. I salute you. Alright, we hit him with the curveball now. I don't know if we take a hit here. We definitely don't take a hit here. So we're just gonna click the funny move. We're definitely not doing enough to break this guy though. Just gotta go for Brave Bird and hope that it kills. He's probably gonna switch here. Don't know what he'd switch to though. We just gotta kinda hope that we can get a kill. Or that Beacon can kinda just sweep here. But I don't know if he outspeeds Kieran. Especially without the sticky web up. We're going for broke here. Oh yeah, choice banded. That's just me being dumb. Come on, buddy. You gotta be fucking kidding me. The luck. Unlucky. Never lucky, dude. Think that's it. I have to get really lucky. Especially because I don't think I killed this. Yeah, shoot for it though. Ooh, he outspeeds. GG's. Womp womp. Got some bad luck there, but for the most part, I just got outplayed. GG's, Ben. I still took 4, which I'm happy with.